Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just tap on a project that we want to work on. Then we tap on text in the bottom bar, and then we scroll to the right and tap on draw. Now we will have a few options with different kinds of drawing styles, as you can see. Different kinds of pencil marks, and yeah, we have our standard drawing tools here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.